Okay, viewers, welcome back to Ray's Way. And if you're new, thanks for stopping by. Now, previously I showed you my kayaks and I gave you a review of those. And now my next task is getting these things to the water. Now, of course, when I have a Jeep and I don't have a roof rack and I got more than one kayak, I can't stuff them both in the back. So let me show you what I'm going to do to get the kayaks on the roof. So again, I got these two kayaks I want to put on top of this Jeep, and I don't want to buy a roof rack. Plus I want something that's going to be fairly inexpensive and able to use on both a hard top and soft top of the Jeep, because I do have a soft top, and I do take the hard top off and put the soft top on in the summer. So I want this one piece to work on both applications of my Jeep. So let me show you what my materials are, and we'll get started. Okay, viewers, here's the supplies that we need to make our roof rack. Now we're going to be making this with PVC pipe. This is 1-inch PVC Schedule 40 pipe. We're going to have some foam. You can use pool noodles. While I was at the big box store, they had these there. So plus I wanted to keep black for my Jeep. But you can use pool noodles, whatever you would like. Okay, you need some 4 elbows and 2 T's, PVC cutter or a hacksaw, tape measure, of course, and a marking utensil. And lastly, once you dry fit everything and make sure it's going to work, then you want to make it a permanent fix to it. You can use the PVC glue. Now this pack came in purple or clear. I'm going to be using the clear so you don't see purple all over the place. It doesn't really care. Who cares if it's in plumbing in your house or whatever, behind, you know, drywall or whatever. But in this case, I don't want purple stuff all over the place, so we're going to use that. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a row across the front, and I'll show you that on the Jeep. Okay, what I'm going to do, one in the middle, one in the back. But let me show you to the top of the Jeep, and we'll take it from there. Okay, an idea and goal is once you have this all framed up, you can just lift it up, drop it on the Jeep, and you can ratchet strap it down, and then you can use other straps or ropes to tie down your kayak. You don't want to use ratchet straps on your kayaks because it, you know, out in the sun, or people tighten them too tight, you can warp and destroy your kayak. So let it go. Just use rope, or use those other friction type of straps that I have here too, that you can just cinch tight without cranking on it. Okay, but here's the goal in the 3 rows we want to do. The one row is going to go across the top of the Jeep, or across the roof line. Okay, the second one is going to go right across the sound bar. Now what's nice about that and these Freedom tops is I should still be able to take the Freedom tops off while I have this kayak on. Of course, I have the support across the top, and then the middle piece is going to go right across here, and then the back piece will go across. Now since this is a hard top, and if you're not planning on putting a soft top on, you can go all the way to the back, but I'm not going to. Okay, so where I'm going is this third bar across here. This is where the roll bar starts going down, and that would be exactly where, if my soft top would be where I would put that, so it has support right there. Okay, and that's basically right from the center of the wheel up. So I'll get my measurements, and I'll get these cut, and we'll show you how it's going to look. Okay, viewers, just the final project here. Now obviously this is not glued yet. Okay, I just dry fitted everything. I'm going to show you how it goes up on the roof, and then you're good to go. Then the next episode we'll talk about proper straps and everything to tie it down. Of course, we're also going to talk about tying down the stern and the bow to the front and back of the car. So we'll catch that on a different episode. So here's a nice do-it-yourself project to make your own roof rack, And let me show you how it goes on this Jeep. Okay, viewers, if you can see us on the top of the Jeep here, front to back. So again, thanks for checking out my channel. I did see this on some other episode of YouTube. That's what this is all about. I figured I'll give you my version of it. So thanks for tuning in. See you next time on Ray's Way.